I'm rich, man. Which one you want? Just say. I will buy it for you. Which one you want? Jeep? Okay, let's go. Bro, why you are laughing? Come, bro. 你好。Yo, bro. Which one will you buy? This one?
Yes.
Look at this one.
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Is it good for you? Looking good?
Looking good.
You like? But it's black, bro. You are also black, nigga. This one is good for you. Come.
I'm black.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm black. If I
We are white.
wear white, it's
Looking good.
Yeah.
Everyone can see you. But if you wear like this one black, no one can see you in the dark. It's good. Yeah, bro. You wanna buy? 你好，这个窗多少钱呢？我可以知道吗？
1399，然后咱打是7.5折。打完折
差不多1100多一点是吧？
差不多。
行，1100 RMB তো হইতেছে বাংলাদেশের টাকা 20,000 টাকার মতো। You wanna buy? No, man, it's not expensive. Expensive is not in our dictionary, bro. We are rich, man.
Yeah, rich man.
Yeah, we are rich, bro.